Moro de Habichuelas Rojas. Red beans and rice. A side dish from Dominican Republic. You will need 12
Serves
ingredients.
2.
Step 1. Grind or crush the garlic, onion and half teaspoon of salt in a pestle. Step 2. In a pot add 1 teaspoon of oil to crushed garlic and half the pepper, oregano, black pepper and the chicken bouillon cube. Step 3. Fry lightly over low heat for 1 minute. Add the half can of red beans and fry lightly so the beans take the seasonings. Step 4. Later, mix the coconut milk in the 1½ cups of water. Wait until it boils and add the rice. Step 5. Stir it for 1 minute and then put a lid on it for 10 minutes more. This time, reduce the heat, stir and add the other teaspoon of oil. Put a lid on it for 15 more minutes. Step 6. Stir and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.